Hello, everyone. I'm Katrina. I'm a professional cosmetologist, and I am here to help you on your healthy hair journey. Today, we are going to be talking all things oils. If that is something that you've been interested in or you're looking for information, please keep watching and we will spill all the tea. And today, I'm here to hopefully answer any questions that you may have when it comes to how to use oils for your hair. So the first thing I want to talk about is the three different types. There is bonding oils, treatment oils, and finishing oils. I'm sure there's more maybe, but I'm going to give you the basics, and those are the three basic oils. Um, they have different reasons for using them. So the first question you want to ask is, are you using the oil to fix damage or restore curls? And, are you looking for just something to finish a look, give you sleek, ends and a polished look? Or are you looking for an oil that you can use as a treatment, leave on for a couple hours and wash out? So, after asking those questions, then you can decide which product you're looking for. So, the bonding oils, like I said, those are going to be for restoring natural curl patterns after damage or after bleached hair, and you're noticing that your hair is breaking really easily. Bonding oils are going to be keratin enriched, protein enriched. Those are really going to help your hair kind of recover as much as it can without just having to cut it all off. Um, Now, the finishing oils, like I said, as well, are just for giving yourself a polished look, sleeking the ends, smoothing the cuticles. It's not going to do a whole lot of work. It's just going to add a little bit of shine. And the last one is the treatment. So, a treatment I've been seeing the most of when it comes to uneducated people using and giving advice on. And treatment oils are very specific, and you need to be paying attention to what your hair is telling you while you're doing these treatments. Now, I usually do a treatment once a week using oil, and you do your roots, you do your ends, and you wrap it. I do not recommend leaving it on more than a few hours, especially when starting out. I have seen a lot of people leaving it on overnight, and um, they're like, my hair's falling out in the shower after. I feel like it's more than normal. Those are signs that maybe you should be taking a different approach and getting your hair used to it, okay? Don't just go in with some random person on the internet with no license, no education on hair or how it works. Please be going to people who know what they're talking about, okay? I know a lot of people that are like, this has worked for me, and that's great, but it doesn't mean that it's going to work for somebody else, and you don't want to create damage that somebody has to live with, and then figure out even more how to help their hair. So please be looking for your information from people who can give advice. Okay, and the treatments one is one of the ones that you really need to pay attention on, because like I said, you can have extra hair loss. It can do more damage than good if you're not paying attention or doing it right. Now, with the treatments as well, I'm always going to say brush your hair before adding the oils. And it gets tricky because if you have curly hair, brushing your hair dry isn't really the best way to go about it either. So, as odd as it sounds, I don't recommend brushing until after the shower if your hair is curly. That way, you're just adding the oil, rubbing it in, and kind of just smoothing it down with your hands the best you can. Um, and it's still going to do a really, really good job. You're still going to get in on your scalp. Make sure you're massaging. The massaging is huge for the treatment. Um, you know, Hair growth comes from scalp stimulation, healthy follicles, healthy scalp, and that's really what the scalp treatments are there to do. It's to promote a healthy scalp, as well as, nourish and hydrate your hair before going forward with your wash day. So, Once you have decided if you're looking for a finishing, a bonding, or a treatment oil, then you can, go ahead and start looking for, what you decided on. You're going to want to obviously pay attention to price and pay attention to um, ingredients. So this is also, personal preference, but I think just about every curly hair product line has some sort of um, scalp health promoting oil. So, a lot of times you're going to see rosemary oils or peppermint or tea tree. Those are stimulating ingredients, and those are going to, help your scalp produce nice, healthy hair. And so, like I said, any really product line you go that is curly hair based has some sort of treatment oil as well as like a growth oil. So, lower grade products such as I do not know how to pronounce it. I think it's Miel or Miel, as well as Carol's Daughter. Those are really popular brands. The Maui Moisture collection, I believe, also has an hair oil. And then the mid grade ones are going to be like the Curlsmith. Um, any of those little bit pricier items that you would go for. And then, of course, there's Olaplex. There's Divine's oil, I believe it's called. And those are professional line products. So it's all about what you want to spend and the ingredients that are feeling like are going to be good for your hair. Not everybody has sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free products. So you just decide if you're trying to go the more natural route, or, if you don't mind having certain things in your products, as long as it does the job. So, um, that wraps it up today. I really hope that you took something from this video. If you have any more questions, or you're feeling like you'd like me to go in even more depth about hair oils, I can definitely do like a product review, or, my professional products that I would recommend. Go ahead and let me know in the comments if there's anything I missed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be out with another video on Friday. See you guys next time.